Yeah, Thursday, Vlogmas 4. I got work today, so yeah, I'm on my way to work right now. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna be a little late. Let me stop playing though. I'm gonna catch y'all at work.
They were at over 740,000 with a 17% decrease from last quarter.
For anyone, pick you one, get you one. Diamonds are forever, baby. I'm and go and give me some. These bitches, they come and go, so I'm not picking anyone. Acting like they want me, but they really wanna get.
Yeah, man. Work vibes right now. Oh, man. Hard work pays off, kids. So now I'm on lunch. Lunch? Don't ask. I just finished uploading Vlogmas 3. I'm grinding at work for you guys, man. I'm doing it for you guys. Don't forget it. I'll get back to y'all once I'm off. Peace. Damn. I'm not even off yet, bro. It's crazy. I'm the youngest, only nigga, literally, only black person in that joint. So I gotta hold it down for my people. You know where we at? Spaceship vibes, bro. Spaceship vibes. But yeah, bro. It's crazy. I'm the youngest in there, right? And it's all old people, bro. It's all old people. And like I said, they cool. But, you know, nobody in there, like, relates. You feel me? So, like, no one really be, like, joking around for real like that. Like, they joke around with each other, but that's only because they been knew each other. I don't know y'all. So, you know, I just be like, ha, 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 ha. Like, you feel me? I vibe with a few folks in there. They cool peoples, you know. I could be myself around them. But the rest of them, you know, I just gotta, hi, bye. How you doing? Good, good? Cool. Keep it pushing, bro. I'm about to be off. That's so crazy. I started that stopwatch when I was leaving my crib. It's been 8 hours and 6 minutes. It's wild. Nah, finally off work. It's a little dark out here. I know. While I was at work though, I coded 2 new things. One, brake force display, so I'm gonna test that out. All right, guys, it's really nighttime, so don't mind the pitch black. But I'm gonna show y'all what I coded today. Let's do it.